Today I'm making simple shawarma-inspired chicken wraps. My easy twist: thin roasted chicken, sweet veggies, and crispy seared tortillas. So quick, so flavorful, and perfect for relaxing dinner. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, place 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. Add all the seasonings. Full details are in the description box. Then add 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix until everything is well combined. Then, divide the mixture into 4 equal portions. Sandwich each portion between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Use a rolling pin or a dough scraper to flatten the chicken evenly from edge to edge. Roll up the filled parchment paper, just like in the video, and line them on a sheet pan. Add your preferred vegetables to the same pan. I cut my bell peppers and sweet onion into fourths, and my tomatoes in half. Drizzle them with olive oil, sweet paprika, sea salt, and black pepper. Let everything sit for about 30 minutes. This really helps the flavors develop. But if you're in a rush, you can bake right away. Bake everything for 25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It just came out of the oven, and the smell is incredible, warm, comforting, and inviting. Everything looks so picturesque. Beautifully roasted chicken sheets and colorful, aromatic veggies. Let it cool for a moment, then we'll unwrap the chicken. Now unwrap each roll to reveal the moment of truth. I used ground chicken breast, but you can use any ground chicken you prefer. I had to sneak a bite, and wow, it's tender, juicy, moist, and full of flavor. I know you love the viral homemade beef version, but honestly, this chicken one hits even harder. It feels like the perfect cheat code for healthy meal prep. Delicious Middle Eastern and Mediterranean flavors with an easier twist. I'm brushing a little olive oil over the chicken to keep it from drying out. These ground chicken rolls turn out unbelievably delicious. I've already made them 3 times this week. You'll be hooked too. You can enjoy this chicken any way you like, in salads, sandwiches, rice bowls, or wraps. My sons love it in tortilla wraps, so that's what we're making today. Spread a little sour cream, add a generous amount of chicken and roasted veggies, and wrap it all up. I'm always amazed at how thin, moist, and flavorful this chicken is. Add anything you like: paprika, aioli, onions, parsley, lettuce, or avocado for extra creaminess. Sear the wraps in a lightly oiled pan. I'm using avocado oil until the outside is golden and crisp. I made a total of 8 wraps, perfect for serving 3 to 4 people. Listen to this crunch. It's so satisfying and almost impossible to wait before digging in. Just slice, drizzle with your favorite sauce, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. And as always, keep tasting the world, one bite at a time. See you tomorrow for salmon, mushroom, and jalapeno wrapped in buttery puff pastry. A savory twist you won't want to miss. See ya!